What I wish I knew before I traveled to Madagascar? Spoiler, it's more than just lemurs and baobabs. Madagascar is a land of stunning landscapes, unique wildlife, and vibrant cultures. But before you pack your bags, here are some top tips to make your trip unforgettable. First, cash is king. ATMs are rare outside major cities, so load up on local currency, the Ariary. Next, say goodbye to fast internet. Embrace the digital detox and connect with nature instead. Trust me, you won't regret it. Also, brush up on your French. While Malagasy is the official language, French is widely spoken, and a few phrases can go a long way. Don't forget your travel insurance. Madagascar's healthcare can be basic, and you don't want any surprises. Finally, respect local customs. Always ask before taking photos of people and dress modestly, especially in rural areas. Ready to discover Madagascar's magic? For more travel tips and guides, visit countrydiscover.com. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Happy travels!